Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Comet and Dia Browser. Comet and Dia Browser are both privacy-focused web browsers, but they cater to slightly different user needs and preferences when it comes to security, customization, and interface design. Comet Browser is built around Perplexity AI and aims to integrate AI-assisted browsing deeply into your search and web experience. It's lightweight, fast, and heavily focused on AI tools. Users love it for real-time summarization, quick research, and enhanced productivity through AI integrations. However, it's still evolving and may lack some advanced browsing features found in mainstream browser. Dia Browser, on the other hand, is designed for privacy and performance. It's Chromium-based, so it supports Chrome extensions, and it's built with minimal tracking, speed, and open-source ethic in mind. Users who care more about security and freedom from data harvesting may prefer Dia. It doesn't offer the same level of AI functionality, but it's a solid everyday browser with great privacy settings. So if your focus is AI-powered browsing and productivity, Comet stands out. But if you're more focused about privacy extensions and customization, Dia might be the better pick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.